Hello. I am Cloudie. I have a soft and fluffy body.
Hi, Cloudie. I am Bubu. I have a round and bouncy shape.
We look so different from each other. But that is wonderful. Look. I love to float up high in the sky and sing songs.
That is so cool. I love to hop and bounce and dance on the ground.
Our differences make us special. Together we are even stronger friends.
Welcome to the art room, Cloudie. I love painting with bright colors.
That is wonderful, Bubu. But I prefer making beautiful music with melodies and songs.
We are different. You love music and I love painting. That makes us special friends.
Yes. Our differences make our friendship even stronger and more fun. What is your favorite subject in school, Bubu?
I love science class. I enjoy learning about plants and nature. What about you?
I love music class the most. And my favorite food is fresh fruit. What do you like to eat?
I prefer vegetables. We like different things, but that is what makes us unique and wonderful.
Bubu, I love painting and colors so much. But you love music and sports. We are so different.
Yes, we like very different things. Maybe we cannot be good friends because we are not the same.
Wait. I have an idea. What if we try doing each other's favorite activities together?
That sounds wonderful. You can teach me painting, and I can show you my favorite music and games.
Look, Bubu. Your painting with those bold strokes is amazing. I would never have thought of that.
And your soft colors are so beautiful. I learned that gentle strokes can make art look peaceful. We are learning from each other.
That is so true. When we work together, we create something neither of us could make alone. Our differences are our strength. Bubu, I am so happy we are friends. Your bold style and my gentle style together make the best team ever.
Me too. Our differences make us stronger. We teach each other new things. Being different is what makes our friendship so special.
I want to bake cookies right now. Can we bake them super fast? Good things take time, Bunny. We need to follow the steps in order. First we mix ingredients, then the oven must bake them. So we have to wait. But waiting is hard. When we wait patiently and follow the steps, the cookies will be warm and delicious. Patience helps us achieve our goals.
I want to build a super tall tower. Let me stack all these blocks quickly. Oh no! The tower fell down. I was going too fast.
Try again, Bubu, but this time go slowly. Place each block carefully and be patient. Building strong
Yes.
things takes time.
I am building it slowly and carefully now. The tower is getting taller and it is staying strong.
This is so hard. My flower drawing does not look right at all. I am not good at drawing.
Wait. I did not draw well when I started either. But with practice each day, my drawings got better and better.
Really? So if I keep practicing and wait patiently, I will get better.
Yes. Good things take time. Every time you practice, you learn something new. That is how we grow.
Let us plant these seeds together. I wonder what will grow. I put my seed in the soil. When will the flower come out?
Seeds need patience. We must water them every day and wait. After many days, sprouts will grow, then flowers will bloom.
So we must wait calmly and take care of our seeds every day. Patience helps beautiful flowers grow. I want to teach you a fun game where taking turns patiently makes it even more exciting.
Yes. I want to play. Tell us the rules, please.
We take turns building a tower. When we wait patiently for our turn, the tower gets taller and stronger together. I want to tell you about when I learned to ride a bicycle. At first I was so frustrated because I kept falling. But I waited patiently, practiced every day, and trusted the process. Now I can ride perfectly.
So patience helped you succeed. I want to be patient like you.
Look at our beautiful flowers. They grew from tiny seeds we planted weeks ago.
We waited patiently every day, watering them and giving them sunlight. Now they are so colorful.
Patience helped us achieve something beautiful. Good things really do take time and care. We learned that patience is a superpower. It helps us do amazing things we could not do quickly.
When you wait calmly and keep trying, you can achieve any goal. Do not give up.
Thank you for learning about patience with us. Keep growing together. What a beautiful sunny day to play outside. The sky is so blue and bright.
Yes. I love playing in the park. Let us run around and have fun together. Oh no. Look up at the sky. Dark clouds are coming. It might rain soon. The raindrops are falling down. Pitter patter, pitter patter. I can see the water droplets on the window. Look at the raindrops. Each tiny drop is clear and shiny. Rain is just water falling from the clouds.
When rainwater and sunlight meet, something magical happens. The light bends through the water drops. Look! The rain is stopping. The sun is coming back out. Wait! Do you see that? Something magical is appearing in the sky.
It is a rainbow. A beautiful rainbow. Do you know what makes a rainbow? The sun and the rain work together.
When the sun shines through the raindrops, it creates something wonderful.
Look. I can see the first color. It is red. The rainbow starts with red. Look. The first color is red. I can see it at the top of the rainbow. And look. Below the red is orange. 1, 2 colors already.
The orange is so bright and beautiful. What color comes next?
I see yellow next. The yellow is so bright and sunny. And below the yellow is green. That is my favorite color.
Look at the blue. Blue is at the bottom of the rainbow. We are discovering so many colors. Look. After yellow comes green and then blue. Blue is so beautiful in the rainbow.
And after blue comes indigo. It is a darker blue color. Can you see it?
The last color is violet. It is the most beautiful purple at the very end.
A rainbow has 7 colors in order. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet.
Oh no! The rainbow is fading away. The sun is moving and the rainbow is disappearing.
But we learned so much today. We saw all 7 beautiful colors of the rainbow. Let us make a promise. We will watch for rainbows again and again.
Rainbows are wonderful. We love learning about colors together.